morning students, my name is Dilip Marwato and I am a math teacher of class 3. Today we will read the chapter 4. Chapter 4 name is subtraction of 4-digit number. Directly we are reading the subtraction of 4-digit number because in the class 2 we have read the subtraction of 3-digit number. So we will read here the subtraction of 4-digit number. When we will read the subtraction, we will read the two cases. The first case is subtraction without regrouping. The second case is subtraction with regrouping. कहने का मतलब ये दो केस है, subtraction without regrouping. regrouping का मतलब होता है कि जब भी हम किसी दो नंबर को आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो उसमें हमको कैरी लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. And when we do the subtraction with regrouping, that means जब किसी दो नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमको किसी भी नंबर से कैरी लेने की आवश्यकता होगी. For example, the number is 7946 subtract 2835. That means the first number is here, second number is here. So the first number will be right here 7946, and when we write the second number, we will always remember the second number will be written from the right side of the number. That means 5382. Then we will subtract the number 6 subtract 5 is 1, 4 subtract 3 is 1, 9 subtract 8 is 1, 7 subtract 2 is 5. That means we will see here, and we see here that when we subtract the numbers this and this, we never take the carry from the other numbers. So that is called the subtraction without regrouping. Again, the subtraction with regrouping, that means when we subtract the two numbers, we will have to. Now we will read the next topic, subtraction with regrouping. That means when we subtract the two numbers, we will have to take the carry from the other numbers maximum time. For example, I am giving the number is 3572 subtract 1684. Then we will see here the first number. This is the first number. This is the second number. So first number will be right here 3572, and second number 1684 will be written from the right side always. You will remember it at 4861. Now, as you know that there is a 2, there is 4. That means the 2 is smaller than 4, so we can't subtract it. For that, we will have to take the carry from the next number. That means besides number is 7. कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर मेरे पास यहाँ 2 जो है ये 2 जो है 4 से स्मॉलर है तो 2 से 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि 2 के बगल में यानी 2 के साइड्स में जो भी नंबर होंगे उससे हम कैरी लेंगे. दैट मीन्स व्हेन वी विल टेक द कैरी फ्रॉम द 7, वी विल हैव टू टेक द 1 and he has 2. That means 1 and 2 will be 12. That means 12 subtract 4 will be easy because 12 is greater than 4. So 12 subtract 4 is 8. When, as we know that 7 has given a carry to 2, therefore 7 has left here 6. And as you know that 6 is smaller than 8, therefore we will have to take the carry from the 5. That means he will give carry 1 and 1 6 will be 16. That means 16 subtract 8 is 8. Again, when the 5 has given a carry, so he has left only 4. Then he will give a carry 1 and 1 for 14. That means 14 subtract 6 is 8. Again, since 3 has given a carry, therefore he has left 2 here. Now 2 subtract 1 is 1. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब कोई नंबर ऊपर में नंबर साइड अगर कोई नंबर बिलो वाले नंबर से लोअर है तो उसके लिए हमें उसके नेक्स्ट साइड से नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट लेना पड़ता है. जैसे कि यहाँ 7 से कैरी लिए 1 आया, 1 to 12 हो गया, 12 जो कि बड़ा हो गया उससे तो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. इन द सेम वे जब ये 7 कैरी 7 1 कैरी दे दिया तो 7 के पास 6 बचा और 6 जो कि 8 से छोटा है इसलिए 7 को भी उनके बगल वाले नंबर से कैरी लेना पड़ा. 5 से 1 कैरी आया 1, 5 से कैरी आया 1, 1 से 16. दैट मींस 16 सब्ट्रैक्ट 8. इसी तरह प्रोसेस आगे करते रहेगा जब तक किसी भी नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कंप्लीटली ना किया जाए. Now we will read the next topic, subtraction with addition. Subtraction with addition, that means we have to get the two number which by which we have to subtract the numbers, and we have to prove the result that the subtraction of this number is correct by the addition. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब दो नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन हमको करना है और ये बोला जाए कि इन दोनों नंबर के सब्ट्रैक्शन को प्रूव करना है वो भी by the addition. That is called subtraction with addition. As you can see here in example, the example is 6384 subtract 2152. That means this is the first number, this is the second number. First number is written here 6384. Second number will be right from the right side of the number, that is 2512. We will subtract the number 4 subtract 2 is 2, 8 subtract 5 is 3, 3 subtract 1 is 2, 6 subtract 2 is 4. That means this is the result of this subtraction. So now we have to prove this result by the addition. By the addition that means जब कोई नंबर दो नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन हम कर लिए उसके बाद एडिशन के द्वारा अगर इसके रिजल्ट को प्रूफ करना हो तो हम क्या करेंगे कि जो रिजल्ट आया है उसको लिखेंगे एट फर्स्ट. द रिजल्ट इज 4234 therefore I will write here 4234. Again we will write the lower numbers. We will write the lower number, that is you can see this is the greater number, this is the lower number. So 2152 we will be right here 2152. Then after we will add these numbers as you can see here. This is the symbol of it plus. So we will add 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 2 is 6. As you know that this number is the greater number. This number is the greater number. That means we can say that when we subtract the two numbers, we get this result as proved by the addition. करना यही है कि जब दो नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन दिया हुआ हो तो सबसे पहले उस दोनों नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन करें, फिर जो रिजल्ट आएगा उस रिजल्ट को सबसे पहले ऊपर में लिख दें. उसके बाद जो भी मेरा लोअर नंबर होगा उसको उसके नीचे लिख देना है फ्रॉम द राइट साइड. देन वी विल ऐड द नंबर्स. अगर ऐड करने के बाद जो मेरा ग्रेटर नंबर हो वो अगर आ जाता है तो हम ये कहते हैं कि ये सब्ट्रैक्शन विद एडिशन इज करेक्ट. नाउ वी विल रीड द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, combining addition and subtraction. Combining addition and subtraction, that means we will have a given question by in which there will be a plus sign, subtract sign both. That means I am giving a number here. The number is 4356 subtract 2146 plus 3295 subtract 1378. In this type of question, we will have to do at first the same symbol. That means there is nothing simple. That means you can say here is the plus sign. That means we have to get first the plus sign and plus sign. As you can know, the plus sign is 4356. So we write here 4356, and the next plus sign is 3295. So we will write here 3295, and since there are only the plus signs, therefore we will get the number as you can see here, because these are the same sign. Therefore we will get here the 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 will be here, 1 will be on the top. 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15, that means 5 will be here, 1 will be on top. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 4 plus 3 is 7. In the same way, since here are the subtraction sign and here is also the subtraction sign, that means the sign are the same. So we will write 2146 here, 2146, again 1378, 1378, and since the sign are same, so we will get this number. We will get this number. That means 8 6 14, that is 4 will be here, 1 will be on the top. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1 12, 12 that is 2 is here, 1 will be on the top. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 1 plus 3. कहने का मतलब यही है कि सबसे पहला काम मेरा क्या होगा कि जो भी मेरा सेम साइन का है उसको हम लोग जोड़ देंगे. जो भी मेरा सेम साइन है, एज यू कैन सी हियर देयर इज अ प्लस साइन, देयर इज अ प्लस साइन, दैट मींस दिस नंबर एट फर्स्ट विल बी एडेड, देन देयर इज अ सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, देयर इज अ सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन. सो इस नंबर को भी हम लोग जोड़ देंगे, जो सेम साइंस का होगा उनको जोड़ देंगे. आफ्टर दैट देखेंगे, जोड़ने के बाद देखेंगे कि मेरा कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है, दिस नंबर इज और दिस नंबर. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर देयर इज 7000, देयर इज 3000. So 7000 is greater. So we will write the subtract. We will write the 7651 here, and we will write the next number on the bottom. On the bottom of this number, that is 3524. And we will see that the greater number is of plus sign and the smaller number is of minus sign. So we will subtract this, and now we will subtract the numbers. Here is as you can know, there is 1 and 1 never subtract 4, therefore we have to take the carry from the 5. So 1 1 11, 11 subtraction 4 is 7. Again 5 was given a carry, therefore he has left only 4. Then 4 subtract 2 is 2, 6 subtract 5 is 1, 3 subtract 7 subtract 3 is 4. Now this is the फाइनल रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। करना यही है कि सबसे पहले जो सेम साइंस का होगा उनको जोड़ेंगे, जैसे प्लस 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 करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन सब्ट्रैक्शन दैट इज सेम साइन, इसको भी प्लस करेंगे। प्लस करने के बाद एक प्लस साइन में है, एक सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन में है, एक प्लस एक सब्ट्रैक्शन, दैट मींस द प्लस सब्ट्रैक्शन इज सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑलवेज, therefore we will subtract the results of this number. Now we can get the total numbers. Okay, now we will read the next topic. Now we will read the next topic. Find the missing number. Find the missing number, that means in the subtraction we will have given the two number, like example is here given here. We have the two numbers and the boxes are the missing numbers. That means in the two numbers there are some boxes have missing numbers and we have given the total result. Then and this is the sign of subtraction, that means we have to subtract this number and we have to get this number, that number. Therefore, what will be on the boxes? How can you find it? So, as you know that here is 2, and here is some space in the question one, and we have to find the result as a 5. When we subtract from the 2 any number, we will have to get the result 5. Then as we can show that if we will take the 2 as a greater number, then the smallest number before the 2 is only 1 and 0. And as you know that in the when we subtract by the 2, 1 and 0, we will never take 5 as a result. So we will have to take the 2 as a smallest number. We have to take as a smallest number. And when we take the 2 as a smallest number, we always have to take the carry from other number. That means we will have to take the carry from this number. What will be here? I don't know. So I will have to take the carry from this number. That means 12 will be here. And in 12, what will I subtract to get 5? That means when we will subtract 7, we will get 5. As we know that in 12, when we subtract 7, we will get the result 5. So in this box, the number will be 7. Okay. Now, as you know that we have taken the carry from here, therefore we have to take the -1 and we will have to subtract 6 to get 8 result. That means by which number I will subtract the 6 to get 8? You can say when we will subtract from 14. When we will subtract 14 subtract 6, we will get 4. We will get 8. That means we will have to here 14. But in this box what will be? कहने का मतलब है कि यहाँ तो 14 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 14 से 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 8 आएगा। लेकिन इस बॉक्स में होगा क्या? क्योंकि इस बॉक्स से हमें कैरी ले चुके हैं, दैट मींस 4 पे 1 प्लस 8 करना होगा, दैट मींस हियर विल बी 5। क्योंकि जब 5 से 1 कैरी लेंगे तो ही 4 आएगा। सो हियर विल बी द नंबर 5. अगेन we have taken the carry from the 2, that means here will be 1. And what will I subtract? What will I subtract from 1 to get 4? That means this is the small, this is the greater, that means we will have to take the carry from the other side, from the other number, that means here will be 11. And as you know that in 11 you will subtract 7, then you get 4. So here will be 7. Okay. Now here will be, what will I do here? As you can think here, that I have to subtract 3 to get 4. That means when the number will be 7, 7 subtract 3 may be the 4. Okay. So here should be the number 7. Then the 7 subtract 3 will be 4. And we can also see here that we have taken the carry from this number. That means we will have to write here 7 plus 1 is 8. Now कहने का मतलब यही है कि जब मेरे पास पर फिल इन द ब्लॉक कोई बॉक्स होगा फिल करने के लिए, तो हम यहाँ देखेंगे कि जो ऊपर का नंबर है वो स्मॉलर है, क्योंकि स्मॉलर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 5 लाना है, दैट मींस हियर इज स्मॉलर, दिस इज द ग्रेटर. सो हमको पता है कि ये तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर नहीं सकता, तो इसको सबसे पहले कैरी लेना पड़ेगा. दैट मींस वी विल टेक द कैरी, देन नंबर विल बी 12. अब ये पता है कि जब 12 को 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ही 5 आएगा, देयरफॉर आई विल राइट हियर 7. एंड फिर हम यहाँ देखेंगे कि हम यहाँ से कैरी ले चुके हैं, यहाँ पे जो नंबर आएगा वो मेरा 1 बिलो आएगा, दैट मीन्स एंड उस नंबर से हमको 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 8 लाना है. दैट मीन्स we always know that when we subtract 14 subtract 6 14 subtract 6 we will get 8. Then we have to write here the number by plus 1 8 plus 1 that means 4 plus 1 is 5. Again I have taken the carry from here, therefore there is the number 11, and when number 11 subtract 7 we will get 4. In the same way we have taken the carry from here, and as you know that 7 subtract 3 is we will get 4, therefore 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so we have did the find the missing numbers, and I have the second method how can we get the boxes of this number. If you want to fill in the box, that means we will have to add the remaining two numbers, that means 5 plus 2 is 7, so we will write here 7. But as we know that 2 is the smallest number and 5 is the greatest number, that means we have to take the carry from the other side, that means we will have to take the carry from here. So remember that we have taken a carry. Okay, remember that we have taken a carry because 2 is the smallest number. Now we have the two number here, 8 plus 6 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. Therefore I will write here 14 upper of the box, and since we have taken a carry from other side,
नेट ऑन कर लीजिएगा.
we have taken the carry from here, so remember it that number, the carry is 1. Now we will add the next two number, that means 8 plus 6 is 14, so we will write the 14 in the upper of the box, and as we know that 1 is taken carry from this number, so there will be 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, now always remember that 14 is there, that means we will have taken a carry from the other number, that means remember that the carry only. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, and we have taken the carry from 1, taken the carry 1, so 6 plus 1 is 7, so write in the box 7. And now as you know that 2 is also smaller and 4 is also greater, therefore we have taken the carry from this, so remember the carry only. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, so we will write the 7 in the upper box, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So now क्लियरली कहने का मतलब यही है कि जब भी हम किसी बॉक्स में नंबर को फिल करना है, और अगर वो बॉक्स अपर साइड में हो और एक बॉक्स बॉटम साइड में, दैट मींस ये बॉक्सेस जो है अपर साइड में है, ये बॉक्सेस लोअर साइड में, कहने का मतलब यही है कि जब दो नंबर को ऐड करेंगे, जब दोनों नंबर को ऐड करेंगे, तो ऐड करने के बाद जो भी नंबर आएगा उसको डायरेक्टली हम लोग एट फर्स्ट राइट साइड ऑफ नंबर उसको डायरेक्टली हम लोग बॉक्स में लिख देते हैं, लेकिन मेरे याद में रखना पड़ता है कि हम जो यहाँ नंबर है वो मेरा स्मॉलेस्ट है, ये ग्रेटर है, दैट मींस इस नंबर को कैरी लेके हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो कैरी हम लोग 1 को याद रखेंगे हमेशा. फिर याद रखेंगे कि 8 plus 6 14 होता है, लेकिन ये साइड की जो बॉक्स है वो अपर बॉक्स है, दैट मींस हम लोग इस नंबर को जो 14 ऐड करने से 14 जो आया उस 14 को हम लोग बॉक्स के ऊपर में लिखेंगे. ऊपर में लिखने के बाद ये देखना है कि चूंकि हम कैरी 1 लिए हुए हैं, चूंकि कैरी 1 लिए हैं इसलिए 4 plus 1 जो है वो 5 हो जाएगा. फिर 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, तो कैरी जो 1 लिए हैं 4 plus 6 and 1 is 7, so we write in the bottom box. Again यहाँ पे भी देखना है कि ये 2 जो है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर था एंड 4 जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर था, इसीलिए यहाँ पे भी कैरी 1 लिया हुआ होगा. अगेन 4 plus 3 is 7, so 7 will be right on the upper side of the box. इस बॉक्स के बाहर लिखना है और फिर जो कैरी लिए थे उसको ऐड करके लिख देना है. इसी तरह ये फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर्स को हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ द चैप्टर हैज कंप्लीटेड, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ 4 डिजिट नंबर. वी विल बी अगेन कंटिन्यू in the next video, so we continue for the next classes. Thank you.